Yeah.
I feel like my hat is weird. There we go. It's really high up there. Look at my ears. It pushes my ears out. Like I'm Dumbo today, okay?
You want a new hat?
No, I didn't pay for this one. I just didn't realize it would be like this.
How much did you pay for it?
Like $10. Hi, welcome everybody. I'm Deidre.
I'm Adarius.
We're Nights Treks, and we are here at Magic Kingdom because the railroad is back.
Back, baby. Oh, wait. Back, baby.
This video is going to be us saying hello to the railroad, but also goodbye to Splash Mountain as we know it. It's getting a retheme and it's closing very soon. This is also going to be part of our 100 Dates in Orlando series.
100 dates.
This is date number 2.
Number 2, my lord.
We're going to link date number 1 down below. But let's get started and go have some fun.
One. Let's go have fun.
Fun. Like food on Twister. Fun. What has it been like? I think it's been like 4 years. What is that? Metropolis Fritz Lang. Real moving pictures.
Oh.
Is it moving?
You can see something in there, yeah. Let me make sure they put the ball.
Oh no, the ball is stuck. No. Oh my gosh, that's a loud train. Oh jeez. Wow.
Oh, this one actually works.
Oh, this one works?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
I didn't know that.
He didn't know. There's 3 stations inside of Magic Kingdom, so you can go to the Main Street USA. Right now we're in Frontierlands, and then it's also going to go over by the Goofy coaster, the little one.
Okay, yes. Yeah. Is it Barnstormer?
Yeah, Barnstormer. Thank
There
you.
you go.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm getting good at this.
So we have one more stop, and then it'll take us underneath Tron.
Can't wait for that.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets in Spaceport 75. The technology that...
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
Alright, that was super fun.
Yeah.
I love the train. I love the details. I love the little lights. Even the little awning, the color, the stripes. I don't know.
I like the speaker of the Tron thing.
Oh yes, that was so fun.
She said no need for intervention.
No need for intervention.
I have a feeling they might do something with that later though.
Yeah, and we just made our park reservation for when we're not blacked out anymore for after Tron opens, April 4th. We're blocked out from like the last week of March until April 16th.
Yeah.
So.
Unfortunately.
But that's my birthday week.
Hey, we didn't get all that.
We must be crazy. It's like 65, and we're gonna go on Splash Mountain. And I know to a lot of people that's warm, but not to us.
No, not
And
at
it's
all.
windy. Oh man. I brought ponchos just in case. Also, we're crazy for riding Splash Mountain in the middle of the day. But it's so cold today, we don't really have a choice. I don't want to be freezing. Splash Mountain opened, soft opening in July 1992. So it's been here a while. What is that, 30 years? Oh my gosh, that's 30 years.
92, 02, oh no, 02, 12. Yeah.
31, almost 31. 22 and a half, whatever. But it wasn't until 2011 that lap bars were installed. So you can imagine the shenanigans that happened in between 1992 and 2011.
Lap bars.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think caused the lap bars?
If you know, comment down below. Oh, it's very
Ooh,
bright.
I got a glow.
Oh, you are glowing. So in 2018, a lot of you may remember this, they partnered with Ziploc and they would give you Ziploc bags that said Splash Mountain on it. I wish I still had mine. I don't have it anymore. Dang. I didn't think it was gonna be a souvenir, you know?
Now we got what do we have?
Waterproof phones.
Yeah.
If I joke with what he called his karate.
Rabbit, you say? Once upon a time, of your time, nor yet your manly or father's time. One time, I was going fishing, I spotted old Brother Rabbit coming to get you.
Ahora sí creo que quizás nos tocamos un poquito. Ok chicos, deseen suerte.
Ay, 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 ay. Me siento que estamos en la cima. La ría.
Okay guys. It's coming. It's coming.
It's cold.
It's time. An approach.
is the last chance to say it's a bear butt.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys.
Bear butt. I'm only a little wet right now. Only a little bit.
Where are you taking me, Red Fox? Let me go! Maybe this one is yours. And where will you see that?
Holding your bag?
I am glistening over here.
You got the glisten.
I am glistening. Nah, don't get me, please.
Why are we going so slow?
Up there is where the train goes by. Yeah. Look at all those chickens. Get our ride photo one last time. So far, we've gotten 2 different concepts for what will be Tiana's Bayou adventure. And while we're always sad to see like memories go, I'm super excited for this refresh.
I'm excited for Tiana's Bayou.
I'm so excited. I mean, I know you don't like getting wet on rides, but
It's always the ones that don't want to get wet, gets wet.
yeah.
I just want to keep that in mind.
Yeah, but Tiana's, it's gonna be so much fun, and I hope they have beignets somewhere around here on a stand, you know?
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover.
Wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers. Please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by 2 of my favorite spots.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy N31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
There's so much whipped fudge, so much hot fudge.
So, oh yeah, no whipped cream. Look, it looks like a Mickey.
You know what go good with this?
What?
Espresso.
Espresso?
Nah, it's a line.
Oh, that is one heck of a line. But it wouldn't be a date without maybe some ice cream, yeah? So,
Yeah.
but I want popcorn.
Let's get it.
All right.
Yeah.
If you don't know, now you're going to know. Candied popcorn in the back of the confectionery. You get to choose your own popcorn, and you get to choose your toppings.
It'll look like a little bit more than it actually is, because once I start flipping around, my eyes like the line for students right there. But we'll start right there and see how it looks afterwards.
Oh, should I turn it around?
Yeah, turn it around. Let's see it. It's so shiny.
It really is shiny.
And this is to die for. Oh my gosh. Have you even tried this yet?
No, but it looks messy. So.
It's extremely messy. But it's so good.
I think I already got a popcorn kernel on the gum. Yeah. Here we go. All right, we're going in for this.
The popcorn's already stuck in my teeth. Okay.
We're just gonna do it.
Okay.
All right.
That has been our second 100 date poster adventure.
Fun.
Take a train to somewhere.
And that was the first time for me.
That is the first time in a long time for me.
It's the first time in a long time.
It was so fun. I don't know, something about like the rocking and the swaying and the
was
slight
pretty chill.
breeze. Oh, so relaxing.
It was it's like a very loud people mover with stops.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it was fun though.
And it was great to say goodbye to Splash Mountain.
Mm-hmm.
It was fun to not be the one to get all soaked this time.
Really.
And we got to see Tron from underneath from the train. And the people mover, when we went by on the people mover, they were testing the ride, so we got to see the ride vehicles in action. And it was a good day with snacks.
I really like the voiceover for the train.
Oh, the train,
That
where it was
train.
like, not a threat.
Yeah. Yeah, it was fun.
And we have finally, while we were waiting in line today, we got an opening date, April 4th. So,
April 4th.
hey, will you move my hair from my forehead? Move your non-chocolate fingers. Okay, do it again. Thanks.
Non-chocolate thing. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
The other hand that's not holding the phone is chocolate.
Well, I thought you were talking about, like, I had chocolate on my fingers. I was like, I don't have chocolate.
No, not yet, but you will once you try this popcorn. It's very messy.
Come try this chocolate.
I got a pocket full of napkins. That's my new band name, Pocket Full of Napkins. Thank you so much for trekking with us. If you want to follow along with our 100 dates in Orlando, go ahead and hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're alerted. Share with your friends. Comment down below. Any interaction you can give this video will help.
Yes.
We also have a Facebook community, and we're on Instagram, and we're starting to get active on TikTok as well.
Exactly. Getting back into the groove of things.
Yeah.
If you'll also like to support us, Facebook. If you'd like to support us, Facebook has now given us the ability to accept stars.
Yeah, any of our videos that you see, you can send us stars and be like, that was super fun, thanks.
Yeah, and like, boop, here's like a little 10 stars there for you. Or if you'd like to support us here on YouTube, you just press that, I would like to become a member, right there. Just, yeah. But yeah, we appreciate anything that you guys do for us.
And thank you to all of those that have already given us wedding presents. We have a registry and you guys are awesome.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
We appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And with that, the train pulling in, we're off. Thank you so much for trekking with us and we'll see you real soon.
Bye. Bye. Some chocolate popcorn.